conferencing to discuss the emerging situation and plan ahead for tackling the pandemic. This was the fourth such interaction of the Prime Minister with the Chief Ministers. Modi said India's population is comparable to that of the combined population of several countries. The situation in many countries was similar at the start of March. However, due to the timely measure, India has been able to protect many people. In Assam, a group of students who were studying at Kota have arrived Guwahati early this morning. Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma and Minister of State for Health Piyush Hazarika welcomed them at Saru Sajai Stadium. Assam government has made the arrangement to bring back 391 stranded students. All of them are now put on mandatory quarantine. AIR Guwahati correspondent report that out of 35 positive cases, 25 patients have been cured and discharged from hospitals so far in the state. The number of COVID-19 cases in the country has climbed to 27,892 while death toll rose to 872. Health Ministry's data said the number of active COVID-19 cases stood up at 20,835. As many as 6,184 people have been cured or discharged and one had migrated. Health Ministry said Maharashtra has the highest number of 8,068 cases, followed by Gujarat 3,301 and Delhi with 2,918 cases. Highest number of 342 people have lost lives in Maharashtra. Gujarat has reported 151 deaths, Madhya Pradesh 103 and Delhi 54 deaths. Residents of Shillong agglomeration today got another opportunity to purchase basic and daily essentials commodities with the East Khasi Hills District Administration announcing opening of shops besides certain trades for 4 days beginning today. The shops will remain open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Stating that the selected shops have been increased from 1,804 to 1,872 with 20 mobile units so as to meet the requirements of local residents. The Deputy Chief Ministers also requests people to strictly maintain social distancing, avoiding overcrowding, wear masks which is mandatory, not spit in public places and to cooperate with the district administration, district police and Rang Bashnongs. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today told reporters that most of the chief ministers are in favor of extending the lockdown but with more relaxation in the green zone so that the livelihood is not affected. After attending the video conference with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Chief Minister Sangma said all of the 8 states that spoke today have said that lockdown should continue while some of the other states had also written to the Prime Minister that it should continue. The King George Medical University in Uttar Pradesh has become the first government hospital in the country to successfully launch the plasma therapy treatment for the COVID-19 patients. AIR correspondent reports that the first dose of the plasma therapy was given yesterday to a 58-year-old patient. Vice Chancellor of the KGMU, Professor M.L.B. Bhatt, termed it a proud moment for the university and said that we were preparing for the plasma therapy right from the approval from Indian Council of Medical Research. The plasma was already secured from the 3 recovered COVID-19 patients who was treated at KGMU itself. Listeners, that was a special roundup on COVID-19 brought to you by the regional unit of All India Radio.